Resources and Development, Class 8, Detailed Notes, Ncert Class Notes. Introduction to Resources. A resource is anything that has utility or usability and value and helps in satisfying human needs. For example, water, electricity, vegetables, textbooks, and rickshaws. Types of value: economic value, non-economic value. Resources with gold and petrol have a monetary worth. Non-economic value: beauty of nature, feelings, and heritage sites have significance but no direct price. Patent: exclusive rights over an idea or invention. Time and technology: transform objects into useful resources. For example, fire was discovered and led to cooking. The wheel was invented and transformed transportation. Types of resources: natural resources, directly obtained from nature and used without much modification. For example, water, air, soil, minerals, forest, and wildlife. Classification of natural resources: on the basis of origin, biotic resources derived from living things like forest, animals, fish, human beings. Abiotic resources derived from non-living things like air, water, rocks, minerals. On the basis of exhaustibility, renewable resources can be replenished naturally in a short period. For example, solar energy, wind energy, forest, and water. Some renewable resources like forest and groundwater may deflate if overused. Non-renewable resources, limited in availability, take millions of years to form. For example, coal, petroleum, natural gas, and minerals. Once exhausted, they can't be replaced quickly. On the basis of distribution, ubiquitous resources, localized resources. Ubiquitous resources found everywhere like air and sunlight. Localized resources found in specific places like coal, minerals, petroleum. Number 4. On the basis of ownership, individual resources owned privately like farms, houses, wells. Community owned resources accessible to all, parks, playgrounds. National resources belong to a nation like rivers, forest, government land. International resources managed by international organizations like oceans beyond 200 nautical miles. Human-made resources created by humans by modifying natural resources. Examples: for example, roads, bridges, buildings, machinery, vehicles. Technology is a human-made resource that improves efficiency. Human resources: people with knowledge and skills create more resources. Human resource development: enhancing the quality of human beings through education, healthcare, and skill training. For example, Japan has fewer natural resources but is a developed country due to human resource development. Resource conservation. Definition: careful use of resources to prevent wastage and allow renewal. Need for conservation: overuse leads to resource depletion, essential for future generations. Ways to conserve resources: reduce, recycle, reuse. Use alternative energy sources, afforestation, planting trees. Water conservation methods like rainwater harvesting. Sustainable development. Definition: development that meets present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. Importance: ensures the long-term availability of resources. Key principles: respect and care for all life forms, improve quality of life, conserve the earth's vitality and diversity, minimize depletion of natural resources, change attitudes and adopt eco-friendly habits, empower communities to protect the environment. Equitable distribution of resources. Resources are unequally distributed due to geographical, climatic, and human factors. Issues due to unequal distribution. Some regions are rich in resources while others lack them. Leads to economic and social disparities. Solution: fair distribution and responsible usage to ensure every region benefits.